Now these slides which already I sent you, and you have a look on that. Now I'll be explaining each slide, so listen it carefully. In this you can see there are 4 types of sentences. Now these 4 kinds of sentences are declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. I repeat once again so that the pronunciation will clear. First is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now all these 4 types of sentences we are going to learn with each slide. So I am moving to the next slide. Now here you can see the 4 kinds of sentences are there, and there is punctuation mark. You can see in the bracket punctuation marks are given. So in your exams, if we give you the question like you have to identify the following sentence, so with the help of the punctuation mark also you can identify the statement which kind of sentence is that. First one, you can see the declarative. In that brackets full stop is there. Full stop means it's a complete sentence. It is a declared sentence, means that thing has been done, that work whatever it is given in that sentence, it is done. That sentence is giving you a complete sentence with the full stop mark. That means it's a declarative sentence. Second one, you can see in the bracket question mark. So whenever the sentence is asking you a question, whenever the sentence is asking you a question, that means it's an interrogative question. For example, who are you, how are you, is this is yours, are you fine? So all these sentences, and after that if you can see the question mark, it means it's an interrogative sentence. Third one, it's an imperative sentence. Now here also the full stop mark will be there, but if the sentence is asking you a command or request, if the sentence is asking you the command or request, it means it's a imperative sentence. For example, if someone is saying that please can you give me a pen, or please can you give me a, can I have your book? So a person is requesting you, right? A person is requesting you that can you just give me your pen, or can I share my notebook, can you just share your notebook with me? That means someone is requesting. Or someone is ordering like go and get a cup of coffee for me, or go and clean that room. Sorry. So if someone is ordering you to do that work, that means it's an imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory means the exclamation mark is given in the bracket. You can see one line and then below that one dot is there, so it is an exclamation mark. If any sentence is showing you a sudden feeling or emotions, or a sudden expression it is showing you, it means that is an exclamatory sentence. For example, if something is happening suddenly and immediately from your mouth it comes, oh wow, what a great news, right? So wow, it's a great news. Wow means it's giving you an exclamation, it's a sudden feeling. Yes, I got a holiday. Yes, I got a good mark. So again it's a exclamation mark sentence. Sudden feeling. So wow, hooray, yay, yes, ouch, oh, all these words when it comes, and it after that word if there is a exclamation mark, so you have to write exclamatory sentence. Immediately it should get clicked in your mind that this is a exclamatory sentence. I hope you are clear with this slide. We will move to the next slide. Now in this slide, the interjection or exclamatory, both the words are same so don't get confused with interjection and exclamatory. The meaning is same for both the words. Here is the definition is given. An interjection is a word or group of words that expresses strong feeling. It is usually followed by an exclamation mark but is not a complete sentence. Are you getting the definition? It gives you a expression, it gives you a sudden feeling, it gives some group of words are there in the sentence which shows you the expression, but it is not a complete sentence. Okay, it is not a complete sentence. Wow, what a surprise, for example. So wow, then exclamation mark, what a surprise. But is it a complete sentence? No. Why? Because you don't know exactly what is the surprise and who is going to give you the surprise exactly. So that is why it is being called as interjection or exclamatory sentence. We'll move to next slide. Now here are some practice which you have to do it. What kind of candy do you like? Go get the paper of the pouch. Wow, you did great. I love to watch old movies. So here you have to identify the correct kind of sentence and you have to add the punctuation mark also. So this work you will do it right now. I'm sending you the slide also, the screenshot of the slide, so that will be more clear for you people. This slide you have to work out. We'll move it on the next slide. Yeah, that's over. So you can see that what kind of candy do you like is another one, means it's an interrogative sentence. Go get the paper of the pouch means it is giving you a command, it is giving you an order, it is giving you an order, means it's an imperative sentence. Wow, you did great means it's giving you a sudden expression, it's a exclamatory sentence. I love to watch old movies. Here it's a complete sentence and it is declaring that you love to watch the movies. That means it's a declarative sentence. I hope you are clear with the PowerPoint presentation which I shared with you with the explanation. Please listen to it carefully. Here are the answers of this with the punctuation mark. Thank you. Please watch my screen recording right now.